What's good, people? It's your girl skg.jpg. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you're not, hit the subscribe button. Come join the fam. Let me know what you're into. Let me know what you think of the content. Check out the podcast, all that good stuff. Sorry, this wasn't intended to promote, but you know how to put that out there. Also, before we get into it, those that are asking, the podcast, new episode dropping soon. But in the meantime, we actually hit a year today since the podcast dropped. So happy anniversary to myself, to my baby. But make sure you catch up on all the episodes. They're available on YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts. Anywhere you want to listen and stream or watch, they're there. So yeah, catch up for the new ep drops. But today we're going to get into the Nike Supreme MX98s that just dropped this week. I managed to pick, well, I didn't manage to get a pair. The plug got me a pair, so shout out you. I got the browns. I did actually initially want the pinks. If you follow me on Instagram, you all know that. But I kind of changed my mind because I got a few pink crepes. I don't really have a brown. And you know, brown in season, so had to do it. But we're gonna chop it up, look at the crepe, do a little try on for you, all that fun stuff. So stick around and yeah, let's jump right into it. So first things first, the box, as per usual. The paper. If you watched my unboxing of the shocks, you will see that it's literally just the same box. All Nike Supreme collabs just come in black boxes with the logo, I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong on that in the comment section, but I'm pretty sure that they all come in the same standard box. This is the pair. This is what they look like. Just look at the brown. Like, it's a banging shade, man. It's absolutely banging. The text on the back is my favorite part. I just think it looks sick. I think it's so current. It's so this age, this generation, this just so now, especially with graphic design, especially graphic design that you see on IG, or you see just even on just billboards on TV. Like, you see a lot of this text now being used. I think it's epic. You got the spare laces. A lot of people, well, not a lot of people, some people ask me, why is it TL and not TN? TN actually stands for tuned air, so you only see that well, on TNs where the air unit isn't all around. Total air is, you have the full air unit surrounding the shoe. It's total shock absorbent. Got the mini swoosh on the sole. And one of my favorite parts, which let me try and get these out for you. You got the pre with the Nike swoosh. Yeah, so let's try them out. 98 is one of my favorite Nike silhouettes. I think that it's an absolute sick silhouette. Like, it's so chic, it's so classic. It goes with everything. It's flat, but it's got the air unit, which gives you that kind of that comfortability, that raised sole feel. Like, it doesn't feel like a Converse. It doesn't feel like a New Balance that you're just on the ground. Like, you actually have the cushion, which I love. So guys, there you have it. That was my unboxing, try on and review of the Nike MX98 Supreme collaboration in Fauna Brown. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed having a close-up look at this pair. Let me know what you guys thought of the collaboration. Let me know, do you like 98s? Are you a fan? How do they hold up against the shocks, against the previous Nike Supreme collaborations? I think that the general consensus is that Nike and Supreme, it works. I think that people generally really like their collabs that they do, and I don't see many people disliking them. But I'm interested to see what people think, especially about the color ranges that came out. Obviously, if they didn't drop in a size smaller than a 6, UK 6 online, so there is still the conversation about size inclusivity, especially when it comes to the smaller size range. So if you want to have that discussion, comment section's open. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you wanted to see any other colorways dropping this. And yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.